but they also die for the lack of love. They call them the forest gardeners because this is actually what they do. They spread the seeds of the trees and it helps the forest regenerate, and this is really important. This species have more value alive than dead. This is a fantastic bird, do you see it? It's very rare to see those birds in Kinshasa, but they are here because of the bonobos. It's an ecosystem. Removing one chain of this ecosystem can make the whole system flip. They are threatened. If we are not doing something quick, they're going to disappear forever from our planet. They are threatened by the fact that they share the habitat where you have human beings living in very difficult conditions with the poverty. The population have no other solution than hunting to sell the meat for big markets, for big towns.
Banyamekika ebimakaliso ebelete motakoki koke na chasse boy aye maboko mibale azo ata alika kote.
So all those little bonobos came here with the big trauma of have seen their family killed. So he sees his mother being cut, cooked, transformed. So when we rescue those little ones, they're gonna stay with one of those mothers for at least 2 months. And they have to learn back how to trust human beings. And then after, they will be able only to start learning bonobo society with the big ones into the enclosure. But this stage is crucial for their rehabilitation. They are extremely fragile and they die from a simple disease, but they also die for the lack of love. So those individuals, they had faced such a big traumatized that if they don't find love and somebody who cares for them, they just decided stop fighting and stop living. And they just stop feed themselves. I don't want our species to be the cause of that they disappear. I think they deserve to live, even in this difficult world with the challenge that is their challenge. But we cannot let them disappear. We need solution, quick and good solution. We won't have success if people doesn't benefit for the sacrifice they do for conservation. We cannot put forest against people. We all live in the same planet and we have to find good solution for the people, for the forest and for the biodiversity that lives inside. This is the real challenge. I think nowadays people have understand that we are all linked together.